The actions of President Donald Trump have been regularly getting stalled or blocked by court actions. Many of these are in turn brought about by lawsuits from various agencies. And now, Trump is taking actions to prevent this from happening. This was announced in a memorandum from the White House titled Preventing Abuses of the Legal System in the Federal Courts, which states, lawyers and law firms that engage in actions that violate the laws of the United States or rules governing attorney conduct must be efficiently and effectively held accountable. The memo further states that attorneys are not legally allowed to file lawsuits in order to harass, cause unnecessary delay, or needlessly increase the cost of litigation. This is interesting because when it comes to politics, sometimes there is even a publicly stated goal of just using lawsuits to delay things. And it also ties into the whole spectrum of legal warfare, lawfare, which has become pretty common in the country. And there are even allegations from the Trump administration that some political firms will shop around for judges they think are going to interpret the law in their favor in order to do things like this. But it seems there is an established law that allows for sanctions against law firms that engage in these practices. And Trump is now invoking these powers with his presidential actions. And this is pretty big because judges can't just do things as they please. When we hear about the federal judges in different parts of the country making orders to stop Trump's actions, the judges are typically making that determination based on an existing lawsuit. It's not like the judges are just springing out of the woodwork and giving orders to the president. They are making judgments on legal cases, which they then use to put holds on Trump's orders as the cases move their way up through the legal system. And a good amount of these cases are being filed by a handful of political law firms. It's not likely this action from Trump will just end all legal challenges to his orders, but it will make it harder for Trump to be challenged. And this could also seriously impact the legal firms that have been using the law in this way.